A new labor law in California is threatening to put goats out of business. These grazing goats are in high demand in the Golden State, where they eat vegetation that helps protect areas from the threat of wildfires. But new regulations could make it a lot more expensive to provide the service, requiring companies to pay goat herders quadruple the monthly salary, from about $3,700 a month to $14,000 a month. An increase, goat herders say, is not sustainable. Michael Leight joins us now. He's the owner and operator of Ventura Brush Goats. Michael, thank you so much for joining us. I can hear those lovely goats behind you. This law is really impacting the herders, but what I want to get from you is, how important is it? There's so many families out there who need this work.
Yes, absolutely. Goat herders are skilled workers, and we couldn't do this work without them. And they are deserving of labor protections, respect, and everything that we can give them. Absolutely.
I can hear it. They feel very passionate about it. So can you explain to us why the goats are so crucial in the state of California for a myriad of reasons, not just the environment? I mean, you're not even allowed to have a gas blower, might I add. So why pass this when you really need the goats?
Right. So state budget bill AB 179 was recently passed by the legislator and signed by the governor. And in that budget, there is language allocating funds specifically to pay for prescribed grazing, otherwise known as targeted grazing, because California has seen unprecedented wildfires in recent years. They're getting hotter, they're getting faster and more frequent. And so targeted grazing has become a critical tool to combat these wildfires. And so the state of California has actually allocated funds to help pay for this kind of work.
You know, when we talk about how important they are, and for our viewers to understand, a herder has to be with the goats for a 24-hour period. They can't be unattended, which explains why they're now being treated, if I'm not mistaken, you can correct me, as hourly employees, which is why they are going to be able to be making more money. But at the same time, if they aren't able to hire these men and women, are they going to be using pesticides? That's going to hurt the environment, no?
Right, and so there is language in the labor laws pertaining to sheep herding, pertaining to cattle herding. There's no reference of goat herding, and so in the past, goat herding has fell within the same category as sheep herding, but now because of that oversight in the law and that lack of the word goat in the labor laws, goat herding is falling under a catch-all that, including overtime, would equate to $14,000 a month salary, which, as a fun fact, is more than California state legislators make. Currently, sheep herders are making about $4,300 a month, as well as having their food and housing paid for. And also, fortunately, I feel that salary is going up for sheep herders. All we're asking for is for goat herders to be treated the same as sheep herders.
Yeah, and you can imagine if these guys and gals behind you don't have work, I don't want to know what would happen to them. So, Michael Leight, we are certainly hoping that there are some changes that happen in the next year or so. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.